We've put together a quick tutorial with an overview of Canva for beginners and those who want to learn. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media content, business or educational presentations, posters, and other visual content. You can register for free on Canva's website and start making the design you want right away. To register or log into Canva's website, simply use an email account or a social media account such as Facebook. After registration, there is a small section asking what you want to use the platform for in order to provide you with the best feedback to help Canva achieve your goals. Canva can also be downloaded and used on your computer or mobile device. It works on almost all common operating systems, Microsoft, iOS, or Android. In this tutorial, we will only use it on the web, without downloading it. You can download it if you wish. On the home page of the platform, there are main and subheadings for designs or works you might want to design. If we take a quick tour among the first headings, you can see a section where you can create ready-made or template documents. There is a section where you can create visual and multimedia content and even help you design a unique website, as well as sections where you can create almost any kind of social media content. Under the main heading Documents, let's select and review a ready-made template document for daily plans. As you can see, you can customize it and turn it into a completely different design, or with partial changes, you can process and manage your information as you wish. Take a look at the whiteboard application for independent content development or managing a team effort or project management in a presentation course. Everything you do on the whiteboard application can be instantly presented live or shared on social media accounts or even downloaded to your device. We will try to go into more detail on the whiteboard application in a moment. But now, let's go back to the quick look and share a presentation example. You can search by the topic of the presentation and get more relevant results, for example, Halloween-themed presentation. As you can see, it is also very rich in social media content, with thousands of ready-made templates, headers and tools to create all kinds of social media content. As a practical example, let's create Instagram video content in just a few minutes. There are countless ready-made templates, and you can choose from them and create new designs in your own style or inspired by similar ready-made templates. You can access free or premium stock images, graphics and photos, as well as sounds, music and videos. You can even use a lot of other content, such as videos, photos, audio or music, which you can create yourself or import from outside. We can move content by drag and drop, then customize, and enrich it with various effects, adjustments, and image manipulations as well as animations. We can download all the content we create to our device in many different formats. By the way, since this is a quick introduction and overview, we won't go into detail about many tools. The platform's interface is so practical, user-friendly, and intuitive that you can easily learn and use many tools and features simply by trial and error, even if you don't have any knowledge. Within these tools, there is another very innovative tool, an artificial intelligence application, text-to-image, an advanced tool that allows you to create images in different styles with the text you type. Not yet, but we plan to get into that in the future. Sounds and music are another richness. Of course, there are free or premium ones. As we mentioned earlier, you can easily drag and drop audio or music files you create or own into your projects and designs. There is much more customizability in visual content like photos, graphics, videos and more, and even for your text and headings. You can apply the font and effect you want to present the message or information you want to give to the audience with a more textual emphasis, or even add animation to your text. If you want to create a portfolio, you can immediately enter and select the features you want to search for or design in the search bar. For example, let's use an art type template to review and drag and drop an external image file from your device, the web, or elsewhere into our portfolio project and edit it by cropping. The next type of template we will look at is a website. Let's select a template we like titled Education and review it. As we have done in other designs, you can do similar and more design processes here, and you can also examine how the created website can look on the web during the creation phase. If you want to see more, there are thousands of ready-made templates and content and design components such as infographics, book and magazine covers, posters, collages, mind maps, worksheets, calendars, lesson plans, invoices, stickers, flyers, and more. We also recommend checking out dozens of different customizable, ready-made comic templates. Try out the drawing tools in the whiteboard application. You can freehand draw as you wish and use all the ready-made shapes and visual tools in one. Use the customizable pens to underline or highlight what you want to highlight or point out. With almost any graphing tool, you can present your data numerically and graphically in a more effective way. Another important issue is how we create the thumbnail for this content. As we mentioned earlier, Canva is a great graphic design platform that allows users to create social media content, business or educational presentations, posters, and other visual content. There are many topics for YouTube, including clip art templates, where you can choose from hundreds of ready-made templates, modify them, or create new designs inspired by them. We'll identify a few beautiful ready-made templates and inspired by them. Quickly create a brand new design, YouTube thumbnail. You can use graphic and visual materials according to your own preferences and create your own style. You can enrich and enhance your design, including text and graphics, using shadow effects, color and filters, or other customization, and image manipulation tools. As we have already mentioned, the interface of the Canva platform is so practical, user-friendly, and intuitive that you can easily learn and use many tools and features simply by trial and error, even if you do not have any knowledge. It also includes a layer system, ready-made design tools, and other practical image manipulation tools. And it gives you very practical and fast ways to do the time-consuming work of many industry-standard graphics applications. The thumbnail we tried to design for this YouTube tutorial is ready. We can easily download and use the thumbnail we designed in any format we want. We have come to the end of the content. We will continue with more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.